Whew. All right, there we got it, folks. That's Fontana Lake. That's our destination, the main focus for this adventure. Down over there, you'll see Fawny Creek, and if you follow that up the mountain, all that water from the Smoky Mountains comes down nice and cold, just like the trout like it. So there's supposed to be some big browns down in there. Hard to get to. The only way to get there is kayak across by boats or hike down from the Appalachian Trail. So relatively unpressured. Let's see what happens. That's tomorrow's adventure. Cool. What a swirly! Man, oh, what a great ride. Got into a little bit of rain though. Fortunately I had the rain cover for the camera equipment. About 10.2 miles I think, and got to the overlook over Fontana, got to see where we're heading tomorrow, and got some great drone shots, so well worth it. Alright, so here's dinner tonight. Spinach, avocado, a rotini salad, and a nice piece of steak. Gonna cook that up with some butter, garlic, got a little rosemary and sage, and then try this new instant grill. Biodegradable, one-time use. I think it's gonna be great on the camp grill over there. Never used it before, but we'll see how it works. I'm going to say this is a fail. I probably should have taken it out of the wrapper first. It's good to have a plan B. Thank goodness for the jet boil. Very nice. Cooked to perfection. That is so good. And with the ginger beer, cheers. All right, this is the maiden voyage for the Hobie Mirage Lynx on Fontana Lake. And we are definitely in the Smokies. Heart's going a little bit fast right now because just over there I heard a massive crack and saw a tree falling. And mark my words, if a tree falls in the woods, you do hear it. Man. Marking this spot for the future. Sure does look fishy. Look at that line. That's nice. I think I'm going to call this Mushroom Hole. I just flew into my tackle box. I think I'm gonna go with this one. Sweet. Jumper.